Hello, lovely human. Welcome back. And if you are new here, I am Rizza, and I talk about business, my imperfect zero-waste life, and skincare. For today's video, I will talk about our third business baby, Talaala PH. So if you follow me on Instagram or you follow me on my Facebook page, you would have known that we just launched a customizable jewelry brand that allows you to engrave your own design into jewelry. So we came up with Talaala by joining two Filipino words, which is tala, meaning to record, and alaala, which means memories. So when you join those two, it's a record of your memories. Kasi we feel like when you can customize or you can personalize your jewelry, it somehow immortalizes your memories. Alam mo yun? For example, like for me, what I have here is bagnet. If you know Bagnet, my dog, I super love him. Siya yung unang pet naming dalawa ni Josh. And then, that's why I had her engraved on my necklace. So, actually, anything you can think of. It could be a name, your baby's name, your mom's name, your favorite person's name, or it could be a line art. One of the reasons as well is wala akong makitang customizable jewelry brand dito sa Philippines na affordable pero high quality. Yung hindi naman ako mapapahiya kapag i-gift ko siya sa friend or sa mom ko. So for all of your Talaala purchases, you will receive it in this kind of pouch. It's a vegan leather pouch, which I'm really proud of kasi I'm happy na na-source namin siya locally, and local artisans din yung nag-handmade nitong mga to. Ang cute niya kasi merong engraving ng Talaala. Then when you open it, what I have here is a bangle. I had it customized with the Talaala logo. So all of the jewelry is made with 316L surgical grade stainless steel. So it shouldn't tarnish. Pinatry ko to sa mom ko. She's acidic. And I'm so happy to announce and to tell you that hindi nga daw siya nagtatarnish. And yung isa ko ring friend, si Nikki, she also tried the necklace. Sabi niya, she's quite allergic to necklaces, but for the Talaala jewelries, hindi daw siya nangate or hindi rin nag-black yung chain. So, I'm so happy to report that. Tapos, we usually have 3 colors per kind. So, meron kaming gold, meron kaming stainless steel, meron ding rose gold. So, you can just go ahead and go to the website, that's www.talaala.ph, for you to be able to see. May mga ready-made designs din kami doon. Everything is handmade by our illustrator. Shout out to our creative team. Grabe, galing nyo. Sila yung nag-drawing nito and nag-shoot and everything else. You can also go ahead and opt to upload your own design. So when you go to the website, www.talaala.ph, you can go ahead and click on Design Your Own. So when you click on the Design Your Own tab, you will see the templates there. So, mga blank na bangles lang yon, necklaces, anklets, rings, etc., etc. And then, when you tap a template you like, you can choose the color, you can put the words or the letters you like to put, or you can also upload an image. And since I always appreciate you watching my videos, I made a discount code exclusively for you. That's Riz5 upon checkout. It gives you 5% off your Talaala purchases. You can only use it once, so use it wisely. Of course, you can personalize it more just in case you are gifting a Talaala purchase by emailing us your message kung gusto niyo maglagay ng message inside the pouch. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks again so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. I am grateful for you, and you have a happy week ahead. Bye!